not only my clients who I'm helping out and making a difference in their lives, but looking about the VAs and your VA who now has 3 kids,
Hmm.
right? And the thing, your business created her ability to have a nice life.
Welcome to Unstoppable Podcast with Harry Sardinas, inspiring conversations with influential millionaires, investors, thought leaders, entrepreneurs who are making a massive difference with their innovative products and services, and sharing the challenges and wisdom of how they sold their first million.
Now, a lot of leadership comes into this to achieve this goal. I remember that because the people working in that organization, they have to, us as an entrepreneur, we need to uh, make them to become leaders and uh,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and uh, and develop the leadership in
Yep.
that organization so that the organization can run without
Yep.
you. I know this for a fact because my first business, the property one day I arrived to the office and the manager told me, Harry, go home. We don't need you. I'm like, what? Say no.
That's not easy to hear, but it's wonderful when it happens.
Yeah, that day I was so confused. I said, you don't even need, I was insulted. I said, you don't even need paper in the photocopy. I said, no, we can get our own paper in the photocopy. Go home because you have nothing to do. You come here to talk to us and you don't let us work. Travel the world, do whatever you want, but stay away from the office because you're
I love
distracting us.
it.
I'm like,
I
man,
love it.
I'm coming to help. I said, no, no, you're not coming
No,
to
no,
help. You're
you're
coming to
worse.
talk
Yeah,
to
you're
us.
making things worse.
You're coming to talk to us because you have nothing to do. So come do something. So the whole
I
point
love
is
it.
that the yeah, I create and we come back to culture. I remember
Mhm,
that I created that culture in my first company. I was thinking, my biggest nightmare was the girls because all my managers they were girls and women. Uh, and my worst nightmare is the girls are gonna go alone for a drink or something, and because
mhm.
I'm the boss, they're gonna cut me out. And I'm thinking, no way that they're gonna cut me out because I'm the boss. So I always try to fit into the group, regardless that I was the boss, and they are like this. And but I treat them, and somehow I develop. I start without knowing, kind of by accident.
Mhm, mhm,
I start to develop leadership into organization because something that happened when they coming to me and say, Harry, we had this problem. I said, well, I put a sign behind my desk. Come with 3 solutions if you have a problem. If you have a question, come with 3 solutions. Don't come here with no solutions. So they were coming and with the 3 solutions, and then I would tell them, okay, pick one. Say, no, no, you pick. I said, no, no, no. You come with the solution. Pick one. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, we try something else. You have better chance to pick the
Yep.
best solution, and you will be executing this. So I can give you an opinion, but at the end of the day, I'm not certain if this is gonna work or not. So at the time, after 6 months, they already got the idea that hey, this
Mhm,
is not about
mhm.
Harry telling me anything. This is all I mean having a problem. I create some
Yeah.
solution, try out something.
Yeah.
If it works, and after we embed this in the culture of the company, yeah, I was not needed. Literally, it was not needed anymore. I remember my manager Eva. She was coming to see me once a month to tell me what she had done, to inform me. It's not like I have an opinion. Said, look, I did this, I did that, I removed this. I'm like, okay, we increase sales by that because I did this. This we're not gonna do this. I'm like, okay, okay, can I? No, we're gonna do this. Okay, fine.
You guys do it.
It
Well,
was
that frees
amazing.
you up, then go do your genius, right? Which is
Yeah.
coming up with ideas and thinking of
Mm.
different places to go and things
They
to
find
do. I
better
mean, do
houses.
a podcast.
I was renting houses and I was after rented by unit. So I found myself like 8 houses. The rest 20, the guys found it. They all were better than the houses that I found. The
Of
clients
course.
that they found, they were all better than mine. When they rented more expensive, they were doing everything better than
Of
me.
course. Of course.
Amazing.
It's
So
brilliant when that
the whole point
happens.
is like this, that your team, when you hire and you train them effectively and
Hmm.
you have leverage, your company. your life can turn off
Yeah.
overnight. It's not about your companies. You have that freedom. You see, you can open another business like you doing, for example, be also there as well. I opened several.
Yep. You know
Tell
what
me
it's
about it.
like.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
know
yeah. I
what it's
opened
like.
restaurants. I did so many crazy things.
Yeah.
So,
Well, the other thing too that I truly believe is the ripple effect, right?
mm,
There's that you start with a little thing and it grows bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. That's what motivates me. I think about not only my clients who I'm helping out and making a difference in their lives, but looking about the VAs and your VA who now has three kids,
mhm,
right? And the thing the your business created her ability to have a nice life, and she's taking care of her kids and she's taking care of her extended family, not to mention all the people that she's helped, that because of you, think of the ripple effect of millions of people whose lives you're touching because
mm,
of your work. I mean, it's
yeah.
phenomenal. And that's what
And
drives me every day.
in the early days, it's like what remember what she was telling when the babies are small, and she was facing issues because she couldn't come to work and she was tired and everything. And we talked to her and said, well, why we make this process easy? And they told us, well, if we have a TV, the kids can watch the TV and I can work. And I'm like, Lily, get a TV. Stay away. That was the Asian one TV. Come on. Get the huge TV for the kids to watch. For goodness sake. So sometimes when
Little things
you,
like that make a
because
difference.
you feel that a drop in performance, and until you don't talk, and you don't really know. So her situation
Yeah.
changed dramatically because now she have a first baby, and now the times are different and everything, and we had to, and then she has another baby and everything, and we had to, okay, let's work out to see how can we help, what can we do, what is the issue, because obviously the situation changed.
Yep.
uh, when you working with them for so many years like us, and we have to navigate all the changing of situations. They move houses, and then why internet is not fast now? No, because I move house. And oh god, now internet there in the new house. You know what I mean? So
Yep.
they
Yep.
get married. One of our VAs now got married and say, okay, there you go. Go. We're gonna give you 1 month for you to enjoy your holiday time, your wedding, weeks before, weeks after, to prepare that. And
Mhm.
Lily's looking at me like, we're not gonna have this guy for a month. I said, no, Lily's getting married, so we need to allow
Yep.
her as a human being. We need to give him time so he
Yep.
can marry in peace before.
Yes.
Don't worry,
Yes.
we'll come back after.
Yes.
So this happened recently, and so they got married, they got kids, they got this, and as an employee, as a long time, you have to navigate. We got this, and it's uh, quite exciting. Yeah, the most important is to keep them all the time. In our, like I said, the retention rates, they are
It's crucial. It's
unseen. Yeah,
crucial.
but they are.
Yeah.
We never seen the best huge retention rate, and as a
Yeah.
company owners, we need to do the best that we can to accommodate them. So Anna, that's
100%.
been wonderful. I think that you have a very good business, to be honest, in my honest opinion.
Thank you. I
And
appreciate that. From another
and
serial entrepreneur, that's really great high praise. So
yes,
thank
yes,
you.
you have a great business that can save a lot of time to entrepreneurs.
Yep.
And some of them, because I discovered this power by accident.
Yes. Yep.
It was by accident. It was, but when I find out, to the point that when COVID came, everybody, oh, we want to work from home. We need to do this. We need to do that. And in my company, we already is looking at each other and say, well, we have been working remotely since years now, so
Yep.
nothing changed.
Nothing's changed. We got it. We
Nothing.
know how to do it. Right.
COVID,
Exactly.
the whole team was abroad anyway. We all managed everything online, so it didn't. The only thing is that we didn't do live events
Yeah.
anymore.
Yeah.
We started to do them online, but the team is that do the marketing, everything that is based there. They are all online anyway. So the whole
Right.
thing. Okay. So Anna, so tell us a little bit more again. If someone want to find out about your company and want to know more about you, how they can find you, how this process works.
Terrific. Just go to my website, maxyourtime.com. Send an email to
I
me,
like the name.
Anna. Yes, thank you. Anna at maxyourtime.com is my email. Send it to me. Get on a phone call with me. Let's have a chat. Let's find out what you're needing. And let me and my team help you find your ideal VA so that you can focus only on what you can do and you can soar.
And with that note, see you in our next episode of Unstoppable, how brave entrepreneur like Anna break that wall and achieve the first million. Bye for now.
Bye. Thank you.
Follow us for more interviews with world's most influential, audacious entrepreneurs that overcame challenges and adversity, providing you with the blueprint of how they sold their first million so you can grow your business exponentially.